Actually, we've already discussed the start element method a bit in the previous video, but let me explain it once again from the start. So what is a start element method? Start element method is a very fine method, and what does it really do is it actually used to match up some kind of strings. For example, it says that if local name is equal to friend, then perform some kind of action. So what does local name refer to? Local name is actually when we are calling this method from other classes. So the local name means that friends is actually an array. So what does it really mean? That if the local name should be like demo1, demo2, or any name. For example, it could be my name, or it could be your name, any name it could be. So for example, if it is as a demo3, and if it is inside a friends array, if demo3 is inside a friends array, then create an instance of info friends class and initialize and declare it, and then you're accessing the friends array username, place the info of friends username, which we have already created inside the info of friends class, and we would be accessing this info of friends username via attributes get value method. And we're going to be applying the same kind of step with the string status, like attributes get value, and so we're going to be getting the status of the user, whether he's online or not, and we're going to be actually getting the port number, that from which port he's actually getting online. Now the next thing is, if the status is not equal to null and status dot equals to online. For example, if the user status is actually online, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put inside the status of the friends array the info status online, which the online has been picked up from the info status class that is actually an enum. So we're going to be then putting up the info status online enum inside the status of friends array. And then what we're going to have to do is the next thing is that we're going to have to add the friends array inside the monline friends. And then I'm going to provide the same kind of stuff in the else if statement, that if the status is equal to unapproved, means that the user is still pending to be accepted in the friend list, then then save the info state unapproved enum state inside the status of the friends array, and do the same kind of step with the offline too. And the last would be if the local name is equal to user, which means that if the local name is not equal to the friend but is equal to the user, then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get the user key of that user friend. Now the last method I have just wrote is the start document, and this document would actually vanish everything out. That is, it will clear the friends list, the online friends list, and as well as the unread messages list. So it will completely clear out everything which is inside the friends and online friends and messages list. So the basic purpose of the parse XML file is, the parser XML class is, that it allows us to read that XML data and then parse it through. And we are actually using different kind of technologies inside this parse class.